everybody! Welcome back to our vlog! Sky!
Then, nagbe-breakfast na sila. It's okay, Daddy, you just turn your back. Oh. Is it nice? Yes, nanonood ako ng premiere ni Wilma. And I'm having sandwich. And then, Bobby, what you eating? What you eating? Prata. Kain! Uwi na kami today. Oh yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, so it's time for them to have their last water play while they're watching some cartoons. Kalat. Dami namin kasi hindi nila kinukuha yung basura sa labas. So dito na lang, then kukunin na lang nila mamaya. And then prepare ko na yung damit nila for later. And then andito yung aming mga bagay-bagay. Careful, anak ka ha. There, you're gonna bang your head there, oh. I think because it's okay already. Kanina grabe nagwawala si Ezra. Ayaw niyang umuwi. Sabi niya, call another taxi daw.
This one, our mask, because the normal rough to use mask.
You order another mask? This one. This is kids. Tapos yung aming rainbow mask. Then this is the pink one. This pink one is the big one.
For that one, for me to use.
Para kay Dwayne.
Oh no, this one is not the.
Oh, you change the size ah?
No, this one is the
Oh,
Korean
this
stuff.
one is the ano pala.
Yeah, so you can wear pink, I can wear pink also. So
Gusto na din yung mga makukulay. And in-order ko to para kay Ezra dapat for investigation. Kaso hindi nakaabot. Pero buti na lang may stock ako dyan na yung mga sticker book. So yun yung dinala ko. Yun yung ginawa namin sa ako nakangati ako. Yun yung ginawa namin dun sa hotel. So bumili ako nitong nakita ko sa inyo. Yung activity ng Kumon. Stick and pay. So parang sticker book mo din. Thank you card. And then meron silang po patrono sticker. Oh, libre. What did we buy? Basta may binili kami na libre ito. Hindi namin pinapansin. Tapos nung kahapon nung nag-grocery kami sa Fair Price, nakita ko yung presyo. Ang lit-lit. $3.50. Tapos sabi ko, dinididma lang natin. Kamahal pala. So maybe let's try it later. We're having snack. Tim Tam caramel. And na-build ni Zion yung dati wala siyang pasensyang mag-build niya. Now he built it himself with a little bit help from Daddy, right?
Yeah.
Tapos yun, kagigising lang. So good luck mamayang gabi. Hindi pa yan naliligo. Kami nakaligo na lahat. Pero naligo naman siya bago umalis sa hotel. Hindi pa siya naliligo nung pagdating namin dito sa bahay. Hi! Happy Friday! Yeah, very obvious with our outfit. We're going for a swim. Not swim naman, kasi hindi naman ako marunong mag-swimming. We're going for water play. So, paglalaruin namin sila sa pool for a while, kasi nga, Mommy, stop it. Don't do that, baby. Paglalaruin namin sila ng water for a while. It's okay, love. Kasi hindi sila wala kaming swimming nung nag-staycation kami. So, just to make up for it, especially for this boy, kasi hindi siya nag-swimming for very long time. Because the swimming, Zion, I'm talking.
Okay.
The swimming complex is not open for public yet, right, Daddy?
it is, but you have to do book.
Daddy!
Oh, open na pala.
Daddy!
But the kids section, they're all closed, what? I mean, they off the water, what?
Kids close lah, but the normal.
That one is for exercise lah, but for those like for kids playing don't have, right? Yeah, close siya sa mga yung mga outing, ganyan. Kaya mahirap silang paglaruin. Pati yung mga water kids area, yung water play, yung hindi sa pool, yung mga parang playground na may water. Wala, closed din. So, mahirap. Hindi pa niya masyadong nararanasan yung ganun. So, we decided to just bring them for a short water play. Tapos may work pa si Dwayne mamaya. So, talagang short lang. And then, yeah, this boy. Zion, I told you, don't keep taking out your sticker, right?
Alright.
Bungi. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yes. Pupunta kami sa house nung friend ni Dwayne. Actually, naiya kami. Pero, tinanong lang namin if pwede. Pero, sabi naman niya, anytime can. Pero, syempre, nakakahiya. Kaya, let's just do this one time. And hopefully, i-open na nila yung mga water play area.
Hopefully it's not crowded because poorly.
At saka sana hindi crowded na. Ano naman, it's already 11:20, 11:14. So hopefully na umuwi na sila sa mga kabahayan nila at mag-lunch. Tapos kami na lang maiwan doon. Okay din kasi na mainit. Mas gusto ko yung mainit kaysa yung malamig yung tubig kasi ayoko silang magkasipon. So, let's go! So, nag-park na kami. We're going to the kids pool. Ayun sila.
So the big boy is in the pool, and there goes the small one and the mommy. This one is the half-meter pool. Zion, don't get too excited, huh? Okay, so it's time for them to play. The big pool is over the other side. So now we are over here. And we have a smaller pool here. Let me see how to get all this stuff activated. So mommy and the boy is heading over there. I can't get a good position to put the phone to vlog. So I'll have to just put them like that. And then Zion is over here. This one is the like jacuzzi section, but the switch is stuck. Yep. So he's playing with some of the other kids here, which is very nice.
Yan. Si Zai na yun nakikipaglaro sa mga ibang bata. Hi! Asher Boom Boom! Bull! Nilalabanan niya. What happened, Bull? Whee! Whee! Come here. Hey, swimming! Kick, kick. Oh, come to mommy. Kick, kick. Come to mommy. Kick. You drinking water. Si Zion na yun. Hi, Ko!
Hi, Mommy. I'm playing with this too here. And sometimes...
And so they're inside now. Yeah. At least he's confident to jump already. Be careful, Zion. There's a step there.
The bigger pool. Actually, it's nicer here, Daddy, to play. Next time. If there is next time. Come, let's go. Zion, don't do that. Ezra, are you happy? Huh? Ano, anak? Can you hear that, Daddy?
Don't eat and drink in the car.
Ang tawag doon, we just had sugar roll and chicken pie. Chicken pie ba yun, Daddy?
Yes.
And gutom na. So now we're driving to find our lunch. Baka kasi gutom pa sila mamaya pag uwi namin. And then we'll go home kasi night shift pa si Dwayne. You want some more cake?
Oh yeah, I
Okay.
almost out of gas. Wait, I'm very almost out of gas.
I drink a lot. See? I drink a lot.
You drink a lot. What did you drink?
Mayo.
Milo. Is it yummy?
Okay.
But I
Also,
can
oh my God.
drink my mayo.
You can drink more Milo?
Yes.
Wow.
But my eyebrow.
Half.
What happened to your eyebrow?
Okay, half for the car, half.
And
For
put
me.
on my eyebrows.
Okay, so our order is here.
Daddy, you don't do track up there.
Bili kami ng
What's the book for?
M.
Oh, okay.
What's this?
This is the code.
I want to hold the toy.
Don't need to hold the toy. Come pick that up.
Oh, it's a restaurant and delivery bike. Later then you play with the toy ko. Nasa bahay na, Zion, not so loud, bebe. Nasa bahay na kami. And medyo, Zion, mommy is talking. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi, may na-receive ako na notification or message from MOH, Ministry of Health, dito sa Singapore, na, my health, Zion, not so loud, baby. My health risk warning ako kasi daw, I'm in contact sa COVID positive. Tapos naisip ko, hindi na nga ako lumalabas. Puro si Dwayne na lahat, pati nag-grocery. Magkaka-health risk, pa ako? Health risk warning. Tapos pag lumalabas naman ako, lagi kong kasama si Dwayne. Pero bakit ako lang yung may health risk warning? Kinakabahan tuloy ako. So yun, I need to take the ART test every day before going out until 22 of March. So, yun. Pag maghahatid kay Zion, mag-ART ako. So, yun. Sana there's, wala lang. Kinakabahan tuloy ako. Kaya, naliligo na sila and then, after nilang maligo, maliligo na rin ako. And then we will take a nap. Zion, don't on the, please. Shower properly. Soap properly. So, yun. Paliguan ko muna sila. Okay, andito ako ngayon sa toilet. And moment of truth. Let's do the swab. Kasi kailangan mo i-send sa MOH yung first result daw. Yung first result lang naman. So, let's do this. And after 30 minutes, negative siya. So, hindi na pala need i-send. So, pipicturan ko na lang or bibidyoan ko na lang just to make sure na masabing nag-ART kit, no? Ayan, alam nyo ba? Nag-yoga sila. And can you see the difference? Iniba ko yung pwesto ng ng upuan namin. So, pag ganito siya. Pero ang luwag ng sala ko for the first time. Ayan. Dami naming space. Tapos very open siya, hindi siya nahati. So, kahit na hindi siya maganda sa panonood ng TV, yung sofa, the whole thing is okay. Pwede naman kasing umupo dun sa massage chair, tapos umupo yung mga bata dito sa sa may ang tawag dito, itong cushion, kasi binaba ko siya. Kung extra cushion dito. So, yan. So, pag na lang, pag manonood ng TV, kailangan lang i-remind na dito sila sa baba kasi baka umupo sila dyan masyadong malapit. Pero, as it is, akala ko hindi ko siya magugustuhan pero I like it. Nagustuhan ko siya in fairness. Kasi maluwang talaga siya kasi nanduwang nung hindi obvious sa camera pero maluwang siya. And then very open. So, I'm happy about it. Alam nyo ba ganito yung ko, pang-pa-distress. Yung mga iba pag na-distress, may mga iba-ibang ginagawa. Ako kailangan kong maglipat ng bagay-bagay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi yung sofa lang yung kaya kong buhatin. Kasi usually nagpapatulong ako kay Dwayne. Pero dahil wala siya nag-work, so I make do with the sofa. Masaya naman ako. Kasi nag-map ako, nag-vacuum ako, tapos sabi ko, mag-map na rin ako kasi hindi pa naman sila matutulog. Tapos pag vacuum ko, syempre tatanggalin ko yung mat, ganyan. Sabi ko, lipat ko na nga. Ayun, naglipat tuloy ako nang wala sa oras. So, yan. Habang, pinanood ko sila ng 18 minutes na yoga, cosmic yoga. And then, papasok na kami sa room, matutulog na kami. Late na yung tulog ni Zion, pero okay lang yan, Friday. Pagbigyan na. Bukas na lang kami mag-start Saturday. So, yun. Bye-bye ulit.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye!
Bye.